Hi everyone, Josie here from Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here on my channel. Today I have another Dollar Tree haul for you all, and this is a combination of a couple of Dollar Tree trips that I've had done this past couple of weeks because I was kind of shopping for materials to use for my DIYs, and like my other haul, I was not able to edit the haul first before I did the DIYs because of my due dates for my project. So I apologize for that. I'm going to be linking on the upper right hand corner any of the DIYs that have aired before this video. So let's get started with my latest finds because I was so excited to show this to you, and I did post on the community tab the picture when I put them in the cart because I wasn't really expecting to find them, and I did, and I'm so happy because our Dollar Tree is often so late to get things. So let me just show you first this one. This is the large size, and by comparison let me show you the sizes, and this is the medium size. Okay, now on the photo I have two of this. One is the small size. The small size is kind of like this big. I didn't get that. I try not to spend too much as well. That small one, to me, I don't think I will be using it. What I was looking for really is the medium, and I like that this has the red and black buffalo check design, and the large of this one. I couldn't find the large of this one. I like the words "Be Merry" and the glitter. And this one is the large one that I could find, and it says "Have yourself a merry little Christmas." And I like the inside as well. It has some checker design, and this is flat. This doesn't have kind of like the 2D effect of this one. This one has no glitter. I would have preferred to get the large one of this as opposed to this, but I just want to show it to you for the size. Okay, now they also have the round ones, and I only found this one, and this has the glitter texture on the snow, and this has the same message like this one, "Have yourself a merry little Christmas," and it has the same truck with the words "Be Merry," this time with the 3 snowmen. And what I like about this one is there's a check design here. Okay, so that's like positioned in a diamond pattern here, but look at all these different little trucks. Not only red, they even have the beige, and of course the traditional red truck, and then this is more like a Jeep or station wagon style. See, so they have this, and I like it a lot. We'll use this all on DIY. This one came in a pack of 12. This is a wired garland, and I've used this already in my DIY when I made the dress form in a traditional color, but it's more farmhouse style because I have 2 dress forms that I use Dollar Tree materials. When I purchased 3 packs of this, and I used most of them, and I still have leftovers, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some projects out of this. Okay, so this is not just one piece for $1. It's 12 in a pack. I also purchased this. I used 1 ribbon on this one already. Well, actually another one came loose, but there are 18 pieces of this velvety, decorative bow. Okay, I purchased also this. This is a set, and they also have the green one that's flocked, but I purchased the white ones only. These are for decorations when you're doing your miniature village. I also purchased the LED light, and I like this one in particular because they do have the bulbs so that if you're doing some projects that you need something that will protrude. They do come in different colors. I've seen the red and the blue, and then this is the warm white. I don't know if they have a cool white. Perhaps they do. Maybe they were just sold out. So I just purchased one, and they need 2 AA batteries, and they do sell the batteries as well. I like the Sunbeam Super Heavy Duty, and they're low drain, and they're the AA 8 batteries. So there are 2 there that I took out already because I'm getting ready to put them here. I've got 2 tin cans here. One is this. I like the Snowman, and this is a Mailbox. I know that they come in different sizes as well, I think, but this is the only one that I like, and it came in a small one. So yeah, I'm gonna do a DIY on this one, so watch out for that. And I think they come also in the cardboard style. I like the tin one better. They also have this. I purchased this one, and my daughter will have a DIY on her channel for the first time. She's gonna do a DIY on her channel, and she's gonna be using this. So watch out for that. I'm gonna be linking it here too in case that she has finished this. But yeah, this is the one that I like a lot. They come in different designs. I'm gonna see if I have a photo that I can insert here because I've been taking photos. I like this because it has the red and white lines, the diagonal lines, and the candy canes and some candies. Okay, so I like also that it has like a window here. It's made of kind of not really glass, but more like plastic or acrylic. I purchased also this too, magnetic tins from the Dollar Tree, and I love these large ones because I have done a DIY that is an ornament shaker, and I've already sent it to the winner, and I want to make some more. So I purchased 2 of this, and I'm going to be including that in my project. Another little red truck design here is this wooden sign or plaque, and it says home for the holidays. It has a textured snow. This one is not textured, and this one as well, but the word holidays and the snowflakes and the snow, they're all textures. They have glitter. So everything that's white on this one have glitter. And the tree doesn't have, the truck doesn't have, and I like that it is already ready for you to use. I'm not gonna do anything about it to change it. I'm probably just gonna embellish it. I'm not really gonna do any major change on this one. And since I like Snowman, this one has the texture on the Snowman only, and the rest are not textured or glittered. So I like this one that it has a burlap one here, burlap pennant or flag or streamer, and it says happy holidays, and it has a tree and also some ornaments there, and he looks so happy. One more wood sign, let it snow. I was so in awe when I saw this. This is again another one that you can use as is. No need to paint because this has already, especially if you like the farmhouse style, this has already the faux wooden slats design. There's some snowflakes there. It's already been distressed or kind of whitewashed. This is perfect as is. I've got this too. This actually comes 2 in a pack. These are ornaments, white trees. For a miniature village, they have so many items there. There are people and animals, I think, but I chose this one because it looks so pretty with the brick and the lantern and also the topiary tree. And I finally got this too. I didn't buy the church one, I just bought this too to add to our collection because my daughter and I, as I've mentioned before, we make small or miniature houses, and this one for $1 is a good deal, and all you need to do is put an LED tea light because this is plastic. You don't want to use real lights or real candles there. Yeah, it even says do not use electric C7 or C9 bulbs, only intended for battery operated LED tea lights, which the Dollar Tree sells as well. So yeah, so I don't know if I'm gonna repaint them, but I think as is they really look so nice already. I got a sleigh, and I got the one that is in red color. It also comes in taupe or neutral, more like a tan color, but I just purchased one which is in red. Okay, I like the details on this one, so I may be able to use this for another DIY, definitely another DIY. And I love this cardinal as well. They're good for making wreaths or garlands, so I like this, and I purchased only one. Well, I purchased one lighter red or brilliant crimson red poinsettias, and I'm going to use them for my DIY. Then I purchased a pick, this one, poinsettias with pine cone and I don't know what this is, just the white leaves. I purchased some berries. the red berries. So this ones, I love them. So this one seemed to be lighter than this one. I'm thinking about making a wreath, so I got this green, this dark green wreath form. And I've used this in my DIYs, not just to make wreaths. And I've used this in a lot of my projects when making lanterns and even making a table. So I like this a lot in combination with my waste baskets. Okay, I purchased this as well, the mini bows. And they're the glittered green and red little bows with a bit of a button or gem there. And there are 12 pieces here, so 6 green and 6 red. And I'm going to be using that for paper crafting projects. And this is the tree that lights up. For $1, that is really a great deal. So I purchased 3 of them. Okay, so that'll be in my Winter Wonderland theme DIYs or setup. 2 of these ribbons, and this has green and white snowflakes against the red ribbon. Okay, so I got 2 of them there, 9 feet. They're 2.5 inches in width and 108 inches long, so 9 feet. This is the silver glittery bow or ribbon, and it's also 9 feet 2.5 inches wide. These are the lace ribbons, and they're 5/8 inch by 9 feet, so 3 yards each. Okay, 2 of this, one in red and one in blue. These are the gift card holders, and I'll just show it to you. I have a project that's coming up soon, and it's some kind of idea for craft fairs, so watch out for that. Purchase more of this, well, a couple more. I got 3 already before, and I like that they light up, and they can be good not only for winter DIYs, but any time you want to create something like maybe a candelabra or with lights, you can use this, and it lights up, and it lights pure cool white color like this one, and it comes already with the batteries. Okay, so this one I was so pleasantly surprised when I saw this, because the other day I was even contemplating on connecting 2 smaller LED pillar candles. You know, if they're fatter than this, or yeah, fatter than this, but this one is taller. So I wanted to kind of double them up so that there'll be height, but I'm glad that now it comes taller, although a little slimmer. And I saw also candles or LED pillars that have some kind of dots or silver. I didn't get those. Maybe one of these days if I have a project coming up. I don't want to buy too much candles. That I love them, but I don't want the one that's already pre-designed or decorated, because I like to decoupage my candles. That's the reason why. This is the first time, and I'm going to be inserting here a photo of another design for this. The mirror. And you don't need to paint this anymore. This come in this frame white, unless of course you want it in another color. And I like this a lot. It has its own stand, but you can feel free to remove that, and if you just want to hang it. So I chose this design rather than the other one that has a more curve. Right, so they also have some kind of scroll design, but it's more rounded or curved on the top and on the side. I'm doing a winter wonderland, so I'm using 10 of this. So I only purchased the white one as a carry over for fall. I think this one has been present since summer, but I never hold them because I think I purchased one and I made a frame already on this one. But this is a placemat, and I like the buffalo check. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up our table for Thanksgiving using these placemats to put my charger and the plates, and then it will blend or go well with the black and white buffalo checks. So speaking of the buffalo checks, I purchased 3 more of this, because the last time I think I purchased 5, and I purchased 3 more because I've been using them for my projects. And not only use them as runners, you can use them as runner, and I've used that already for my Thanksgiving tablescape, but I'm also using this as table napkins, because 1 can yield 4 table napkins. I did find this design, and I already used one. I only purchased 3. I already used one for that dress. I made it like a shawl or a sweater. These are the adhesive diamond wrap. So I got 3 gold, 1 pink, then I got 3 of this because that's my favorite color. I'm glad that they're still there. And I got only 3. 6 inches by 10 inches sheet of adhesive diamond wrap, and I think this is a real good price for $1 each. So that's it, everyone. That's my haul for today. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day. Talk to you again in my next video. Bye bye.